Hello my friends, Katie here with Eastwicks Paper and Ink, and I'm excited to be here to celebrate my friend Renee over at Delaney Jane Cards. Renee is celebrating her 500th subscriber milestone, and as part of the celebration, Renee is having a giveaway for one lucky commenter. The giveaway is open for 1 week, and US and international commenters are eligible. So the more videos you watch and comment on, the better your chance for winning. The prize that Renee is giving away is a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop. Renee will randomly choose the giveaway winner from all the Hop comments and contact them so they can email her their shipping address. If the winner does not reply to claim their prize within 1 week, she will choose an alternate winner. Once you finish watching my video, you can click the link in the description box below, and that's going to take you to the next creator on the Hop. So I'm quickly going to go over the supplies I'm going to be using in this video today. The first thing is the Beautiful Flowers stamp set from Simon Says Stamp. I'm going to use the Congratulations die from Honeybee Stamps and the A2 Waffle Flowers die set. I have a couple put together already to create a frame, and I'm going to use a couple sentiments from the Congrats Grad from Honeybee Stamps. I'm using a piece of Gina K Designs in the navy, some craft cardstock, metallic cardstock from Tim Holtz, and some Stick It adhesive, and some rose gold Delicata ink, and also the re-inker. So first I'm going to stamp up the Beautiful Flowers, and I'm going to use the rose gold Delicata ink for that. And I'm going to stamp that a couple of times just so that I get a nice bold impression. I want the ink to really stand out on the navy cardstock. And I tried using some rose gold embossing powder, and it was just a little bit too light. It didn't quite match. I have the Lawn Fawn. It didn't quite match the rose gold metallic cardstock from Tim Holtz, the craft stock. And so I'm just going to ink that stamp up again, and I missed one of the flowers up there at the top, so I'm going to stamp that a couple times to make sure I get a good impression. And once I'm done with that, I love the shimmer from the Delicata. I'm going to take the A2 frames, and I used, I want to say, the 3rd and the 4th frames together from the top down, from the largest down, and I just die cut those so that I could get a frame from that. If you have the Simon Says Stamp frame dies, you could use that as well. And then I cut out a piece of the rose gold metallic cardstock from Tim Holtz, and I'm going to take the Congratulations actual word from that die set, and I used the craft stock, the metallic craft stock, as a guide to put the word in. Now you can see that my congratulations is not too even, but I'm going to fix that here in a minute. So I'm just going to adhere the outer frame to a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 side folding piece of Gina K in the navy. And it is going to be a landscape style. And I like to use liquid glue. I like art glitter glue, period. But in things like this, it's nice to have any type of liquid glue because it gives you a little bit of wiggle room. Now, I realized that I wanted to do some splatter with that re-inker. And so I just took a scratch sheet of paper and covered up the other half of the card base and took a little drop of the rose gold re-inker and added some water and just did a bunch of splatters. And it really took the focus off the fact that the congratulations wasn't even, so that worked out really well. As you can see, this is an inside panel that I'm going to put because it's a navy cardstock for the card base, and you can see that I have some splatters, but that works out perfectly. It didn't it kind of went with the front of the card, so I was okay with it. So I'm just using that same rose gold ink from the Delicata rose gold ink, and I'm inking up the You Did It. from the Congrats Grad stamp set from Honeybee Stamps. And I had stamped off on a separate sheet the words together, and it just needed to be done separately. So a double stamp, double inking of those two stamps, and that came out perfectly. And then I realized that I wanted to take one of the single flowers from that beautiful flower stamp set and put a flower in the corner, and so I just go ahead and put that back in, ink it up with the rose gold Delicata ink, and that is going to complete the inside of the card. And because this is such a quick and easy card to put together, I went ahead and made a matching envelope to go with it that I'm going to show in just a second. I'm going to adhere that inside the card base. And you can see that shimmer. I just love all the Delicata inks, and they really stand out exceptionally on the white cardstock. Dark cardstock too, obviously, but I really love it. So I'm taking that, the full stamps from the beautiful flowers, and I'm just going to put that up on the corner of the envelope and ink that up. And that's going to complete our card and envelope for today. And I want to thank you so much for joining me. Congratulations, Renee. I'm so excited for you. It's a huge accomplishment to get to 500 subscribers. So make sure everybody, you go give Renee some love and support her on this hop and try and win that $25 gift certificate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share and subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment below to have a chance to win that $25 gift certificate. Also, click the link in the description box below, and that's going to take you to the next creator on the hop. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll catch you in the next video.